The Afghani chicken curry recipe is a flavorful and versatile dish with potential health benefits. This traditional recipe originates from Afghanistan and is known for its rich blend of spices and tender chicken pieces. The recipe for Afghani chicken curry recipe typically involves marinating chicken pieces in yogurt and a mix of spices. Finely chop the small onions and set them aside. Peel and grate the 1.5-inch ginger, mince the 5 garlic cloves, and finely chop the 2 green chilies. Combine them all in a bowl. Blend the coriander, lime juice, lemon juice, and water until you get a smooth sauce. Marinate the chicken thighs. In a bowl, mix the chicken thighs with cashews, salt, pepper, garam masala, dried fenugreek, chaat masala, and plain yogurt. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the blended sauce to the heated oil and cook for a few minutes until the raw smell disappears. Add the marinated chicken to the pan and cook until it is tender and fully cooked. Let the Afghani chicken curry simmer for a few more minutes to allow the flavors to meld and serve.